So Erin, I want to know, most of your clients, are they doing wood or are they doing some form of tile or stone in their kitchens?
Totally preference. I would say the most common reasons for using wood is it's softer on your back. It's a softer surface. 2, there aren't clean breaking points from tile to wood. So
You either have to celebrate it and make it a transition, or you're going to have a seam somewhere where it meets up with the rest of the house.
Yes, and it might look a little choppy if you do that.
Yeah.
People are always asking like, whoa, it's in the kitchen. If it gets wet, do I have to replace wood? Or if I pour Kool-Aid on the floor, or the kids leave, their smoothie drips on the floor, is this going to be an issue? And so that's sort of a thing of the past. Yes, we want to clean it up quickly. This is an oil finished floor, so there's some maintenance that you can do along the way, and we can talk about that.
I think there is this misconception that if you have tile in a kitchen, that you'll never have to maintain it. Or there's the notion on the flip side that if it's a wood floor, you're maintaining it all the time, or your floor is going to be destroyed in a year. I mean, we use this kitchen every single day, sometimes twice a day, and it's been very easy to maintain. I will say just once a year, sometimes twice a year, we will have our floor guy come out to just regular maintenance. Because it's an oil-based finish, obviously we can continue to have it buffed and touched up over its lifespan so that it is something that has relative ease in the kitchen space. A wood floor, yes, can it scratch? 100%. But so can a tile, so can a stone. A stone can also chip. I mean, there's a million things. So I wouldn't say that there's a perfect solution out there, but for us, doing this kind of beautiful herringbone rift white oak floor kind of coming into the kitchen was the right decision for us. And it's one that we have not regretted one bit.
Right. It's beautiful. I do want to go back to the tile. If you use tile, you have grout and you have to seal the grout. Or if you use stone on the floor, you have to seal the stone. So again, I think you bring up a really good point that either way,
there's maintenance.
So pick what you like.
Just enjoy it.
Yeah, that's the truth.